Hello everyone, it's Ed Tapper back to you again from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We have this beautiful 2016 Chrysler 200S. So it's got the highest option package with these beautiful graphite wheels and the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. It's 285 horsepower, runs on regular gas. So it's got the honeycomb grille. This one has the comfort group, luxury group. I'll go into that in a second. It's got tinted glass. Again, it's got these really nice graphite wheels. Tires, brakes, and everything are good. And the car's been safety inspected. So these are 19-inch wheels. And then you have the black leather interior. It's ventilated with heat and air vents in the back. Trunk's spacious. It's got a double set of floor mats for you here, all weather and cloth. It's all-wheel drive 200S, and it's got the chrome dual exhaust again. As we pan around the passenger side. And we get inside the car. You'll see it has power seats on both sides with power lumbar. It's got the Alpine stereo. 108,600 miles. And it's got navigation. It's got all the app functions on it. Climate control, navigation, phone, of course. It's got Bluetooth, and it's got the rotary dial gear shift. You've got all your media ports here. Again, the leather is beautiful. And we'd invite you to come by and take a look. We'll have this car posted today with all the pictures. You can call me directly at 708-473-2014 or visit the website, mrcsautomart.com. And as always, I'll be looking forward to helping you. I'll help you personally. This is Ed. Thanks.